Alright, yo peeps, I'm here in a tornado warning right now, talking to my friend Grant. I'm walking back and forth. He's scared, I'm scared. I'm pretty sure we all got a tornado warning. None of this is funny. None of this is a joke. None of this is a prank. I don't prank people when it comes to really bad emergencies like this one. So I'm walking back and forth in my room. Grant's streaming. I'm pretty sure he's streaming too. But yeah. What? Alright, Grant, you're running now? Yo, Grant. Alright. Grant's going to his grandparents' house. I'm here at home. I seriously want to go with Grant right now, but I'm not over his house. Me and Grant are both freaked out. I might not seem stressed, but I'm very stressed. You guys literally. Wait, they have a basement? Oh. Grant, I'm still vlogging right now. All my peeps are in on this pretty much. I gotta post this. I'm gonna name it Tornado Emergency. Grant, wanna say hi to the vlog?
I really can't right now. I'm literally in the car.
This is my third tornado warning I've had. Wait, Grant, this is bad that I'm streaming. This is bad that I'm vlogging right now. Oh God, Grant, earlier I was watching a video. Then wait, it's bad that I'm streaming. My YouTube channel's gonna get hacked. My YouTube channel's gonna get hacked. Oh God, my YouTube channel's gonna get hacked. Grant, what's that noise? Oh my gosh, I'm about to show my peeps what it looks like outside. You guys can sort of see that there are dark clouds like north. Yeah, there are like dark clouds up north.
It's so windy though.
Grant, it's windy down there by where Grant is. It's fine. It's sort of good down. I know, but guys, I see clouds towards Grant house. Grant, is there dark clouds down by your house? Okay, I'm looking straight. Okay, then I'm looking in the right direction. I'm looking straight towards your house then. Well, Grant, you. Grant, this is a real issue.
It really is.
I seriously don't know why I'm even vlogging this right now.
I'm at my grandparents' house.
Okay. I have no idea why I'm even vlogging this right now.
Looking out the window.
I know it will take my mind off of it. I'm about to play some Fortnite and show my peeps how many kills I can get.
That's going to be the worst idea.
Why?
They'll electrocute you.
Oh, so I might as well just watch YouTube. I'm about to watch YouTube.
I'm not going to line with me, though.
I am. Alright, peeps, just a little sneak peek. I'll update you guys tomorrow and let you guys know how things are going to run a little bit. Bye.